Direct me in the path of your command, for there I find delight. Psalm 119 verses 35. Hello, beautiful family. Most welcome back again to the Lovista channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today on the menu, we have this delicious oven baked and pan grilled tilapia with some super soft Banku to go with it. Please be sure to stay tuned while we make this together because it's just so easy and simple. Let's get started. This is a quick one, and let's just get into cleaning up this tilapia real quick. So all that I do is take off the tilapia and just cut off the grills. Every single grill that this has is going to be cut off. And in the bag it is said they have cleaned this tilapia, and I don't know how they clean it. Please use some pair of kitchen scissors just to make things a bit easier for you, but if you do not have one, you can go ahead and use knife as I'm using here. Okay, and also make sure that you remove all the scales that this tilapia has. Yes, it has a little bit of scales, especially in that side part. And once done, you go ahead and scrub it very clean. Some lemon, you can go ahead and use some lime as well, or maybe salt. Okay, make sure everything is clean. This helps remove all that fishy smell from your fish. All right, fish is actually enjoying some cold water here. Please use cold water. It's very important. Okay, fish is actually very clean and so fresh. So it's not time for us to create our incisions. This way the fish is going to be able to grab all that marinade that is going to make it so delicious. Okay, doing here, you go ahead and make the incisions, and there is a lot of different ways that you can make. You can just choose your choice. Okay. So once everything has been done, you go ahead and tap your fish dry. Really important, just so that it can be able to receive all that good marinade that we're going to apply very soon. In here I have some garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika powder, some all-purpose seasoning. I have my natural blend spice mix, which I also have a recipe. I'll link it right here for you, and I have listed every single ingredient that I use down below in the description box. Here we have some fresh vegetables to go with it. I have some spring onions, lemon, bell peppers, garlic, and some onions. Okay, go ahead and chop everything and put them in the bowl, and with my hand blender I'm going to roughly blend this. Okay, and I'll also squeeze out some half of the lemon juice, and I'll also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, you can also choose to use coconut oil if that what you have. And once everything is blended well together, I'm going to go ahead and add all the other ingredients mentioned earlier. I'll give it a quick blend once again and taste for salt, and then add the quantity that is needed here. Here I added about half tablespoon. You should figure it out yourself. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going ahead to apply it generously on this fish. Yes, you have to be very generous with your marinade. And yes, once everything has been applied very well, I'm going ahead to put in some slice of lemon. Yes, I love the feel of it, but you can omit it. It just make it moist inside there. I love that. Try it, and I believe you're going to also love it. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Have enough time at hand. Please make it rest for extra 2 hours, and trust me, you're going to love the outcome. Okay, I'm going to put it right here, and I'll go ahead and start with my banku. If banku is very new to your ears, it's just a mixture of cassava dough and corn and dough, okay, and water as well. The water really depends on how thick or how soft you want your banku to be, and of course some salt. Okay, honestly speaking, if you do not have the ingredients for banku but you still want to pair it with some swallow, you can go ahead and prepare yourself some soft semolino or even eba. It goes very well, okay. So 50 minutes later, my banku was ready, and I'm just going ahead to just mold it into these shapes and go ahead with the fish process. Okay, so my fish has been marinating for the past 1 hour, and I put it in the oven for 20 minutes with the aluminium foil on because I wanted to maintain its juiciness and it's moist. Okay, and I just removed the cover after 20 minutes and set it back in the oven. The oven was at 150 degrees, not too high. Okay, you don't want to burn your fish before it's well cooked inside. I'm grinding up some peppers, ginger, tomatoes, and some onions with a bit of salt to make my Ghanaian salsa. Yes, we pair this with our beautiful and red salsa. We're brightening out this tilapia with this beautiful vegetable stir fry. I used some colorful bell peppers and these red onions. I just added a little bit of olive oil and I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt. That is all. Okay, look how pretty this is looking. All that you have to do is stir fry for about 3 minutes and you will be good to go. 3 minutes later, our stir fry veggies are so ready. I just wanted to make sure that it maintained its crunchiness as well. And our oven baked tilapia is also ready. I just wanted to give this fish a bit of the grill feel, so I'm going to transfer it onto my grill pan, which is quite optional, but I really love it. It should be there for about 5 minutes and you will be done on a low medium heat. Okay, so let's transfer our stir fried veggies and we are going to serve this tilapia the way it should be served. Just look at this. All you have to do is to be super careful that your fish do not end up breaking. Okay, so we did it. It looks absolutely delicious, and our banku and shito and all the peppers are representing as well. So there you have it, family. You need to try this way of baking your tilapia and you are going to enjoy proper enjoyment. Okay, family, thank you so much for watching right to the end, and please be sure to give me a like, comment down below, and share to a few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. Know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.